ever looked at a dead plant and thought, maybe I'm just not meant to be a plant person? I know exactly how that feels, because I used to believe the same thing. After killing more plants than I'd like to admit, I stopped blaming myself. Instead, I started asking a different question. What if I was simply starting with the wrong plants? That's when I discovered one plant that quietly changed everything. This is the snake plant. It isn't flashy. It doesn't beg for attention, but it has earned a reputation for surviving where many plants don't. Forget to water it? Usually okay. Miss a few days of sunlight? Still okay. Busy week? Probably still okay. People often think successful plant care is about having a green thumb. I don't think that's true. I think it's about choosing the right first experience. Every new leaf felt like a tiny victory, proof that I wasn't failing. I was simply learning. If you're just beginning, don't chase the most beautiful plant. Choose the one that helps you build confidence. Once you see your first new leaf, something changes. You stop worrying about keeping plants alive and start enjoying watching them grow. That's why, whenever someone tells me I'm terrible with plants, this is always the first one I recommend. In the next video, let's talk about the biggest mistake almost every new plant parent makes. And surprisingly, it's not overwatering. Until then, keep nurturing your plants, because every leaf you care for adds a little more life to your home. And while you're caring for them, remember to be kind to yourself as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.